Alright, so we're gonna do things a little differently now. I don't have an ATV or a running ATV right now. Even my personal Ranger, the fuel pump failed on it. So we're gonna replace that hopefully in the next 2 weeks or so. So yeah, we got this little toy ATV. We're gonna put the names on the rear tire, and then I'm gonna use an air gun to turn that wheel as fast as we can. We'll let it roll to a stop, and whoever is going to be at the top here, that'll be our winner. So I got a little arrow here, and that's going to, it'll be straight up. This will indicate who the winner is. Put you right here. Then we got Jamie, and again he's getting nominated twice because we weren't really clear with the directions last time, and he submitted himself or entered the draw later than what we intended to have it running, so I'm gonna put him in twice. We'll just put a spin again. One here. We'll put another spin again at the top. And then we'll just put, this was supposed to be, it looked like an ATV, but then when it printed it, it looks more like a motorcycle, but that would be basically nothing. So if it falls on this, I guess we'll do another spin again, but yeah, let's see who wins this.
Ready, let's go!
We lost someone, but we'll see where it lands. Joshua B. Safe to say Joshua B is the winner. Congrats, Josh. Congrats again, Josh, for winning the number 3 giveaway from Wrenchin. Thanks everyone for watching and participating. Thanks for liking and sharing and subscribing. Please stay tuned for more videos. This week we had some issues with our software and editing, but we should be back at it next week. Have fun, guys.